Oh, what you doing, Mr. Volcano?
Hello, Tyrannosaurus Alan. I'm Tyrannosaurus Alan. I'm filling my water with conkers.
Eh?
Rain filters down through my handsome conkers to create a wild mineral breakfast and hydrates you till you shout, "Come on, wild, I'll have you for breakfast! I'll have you for breakfast! Some. Try some. Try some.
I do feel
Try
hydrated.
some, Alan. I'll have you for breakfast!
Come on, Mr. Volcano. You can't say that. I'm Tyrannosaurus Alan, and I'll have Mr. Volcano for breakfast.
I'm filling my water with Tyrannosaurus Alan now! I'm filling my water with ladies.
Eh? Eh?
Rain filters down.
Eh?
Well, my birds do like a twist with their conkers.
Your parents. You can't say that.
My birds!
Your parents.
Birds!
Parents.
Birds! They like a Alan flavor when they're hydrating. Look! Birds! Tyrannosaurus Alan, alert! Alan for breakfast! Breakfast! Alert! Alert!